Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Blessing Ajibo. So in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how you can buy cryptocurrency using your Naira account. So in today's video, I am showing you two apps that you are going to use. In this, you are going to use Raven and you are going to use Roqqu. With these two apps verified, you can use it to deposit money into your Roqqu account. You use your Roqqu account to buy cryptocurrency. So guys, but before you use this Roqqu account and Raven, make sure you verified both accounts. Make sure you are verified. Don't use it without being verified, guys. So in this tutorial, I will show you the way you will fund your account using your Naira account. So let's dive in. You can go to your Play Store to store these two apps. Your Play Store, that is where you store the two apps. So let me click my Raven account. I will start with my Raven account because it's this Raven account I'm going to use to deposit the money straight to my bank account. I can use bank transfer, my mobile transfer. That is what I'm using to do the transfer, guys. So when you click Raven, it will take you to the app. So when you enter there, you enter your password. So I have 1,000 in my Raven account. I have 1,000 naira in my Raven account. In case if I want to deposit to this Raven account, I will go to add money. When I click the add money, it will show me my bank account number. And this is my bank account number here. And the bank name, Wema Bank. That is where I will pay this 1,000 naira to reflect in this my Raven account. So guys, now I don't want to deposit. I want to show you how you can deposit to your Roqqu account through this Raven account. Let me go back to my Roqqu. Here is my Roqqu account now. I want to deposit. Guys. I want to deposit the 1,000 naira. So how do I go? I'll click my deposits. I'll click my deposits in order to deposit to this Roqqu account. So guys, let me show you how to do it. You click on that deposit. You will type 1,000. What I have there is 1,000 naira. So I'll type the 1,000 naira to deposit. I will click proceed for the payment. So which payment am I going to use in this? I am going to use wallet P2P. Wallet P2P. That is what I'm going to use. I click wallet P2P. Yes, this is my Raven. This is my Raven account. So I'm going to deposit through this Raven account to my Roqqu account. So I'll click Raven. Good. Guys, this is the account that I'm going to pay in the 1,000 to deposit into my Roqqu account. I'll first copy my transaction ID. And the username is what you need in this transaction. So my username here is Chivita. So I can copy my transaction ID. Let's do that, guys. Let's do that. I've copied my transaction ID. I've copied my transaction ID and the Raven username is Chivita. So let me go to my Raven account. So guys, here is my Raven account. Let me log in. So I will now say send money. Here is the next place to click, send money in my Raven account. So guys, I'll click the send money. Now, good. Where am I sending this money to? I'm sending it to Raven user. Let me click it now. Good. What's the name that we saw there? The username we saw there is Chivita. And the minimum account that wants to send to our Roqqu account is 1,000 naira. Then let us find the user. Here is the user. Here, Samantha Victor. Here is the user. So guys, now I'll put my transaction ID that I copied. Here is my transaction ID. Good, I'll put it. Then I'll confirm this transaction here. I'll confirm the transaction here. So guys, let me confirm it now. Good. So let me I complete the transaction. I will now put my pin, guys, to show that I'm ready. Transaction successful. Guys, you can see that the transfer is successful now, so we can wait like 5 to 10 minutes before it will refresh to Roqqu. Then let me now go to my Roqqu account to confirm it. Here is my Roqqu account. I will now click on paid. I will now click on I have make payments, guys. That is what we are going to do now. Then I'll put my pin. Guys. I have made payments. So guys, I've make payments. The deposit queued. Your wallet will be credited once we have verified your deposit. So guys, I will now go back home and wait for this transaction to reflect here. To reflect there. When it comes to, then I can use it to buy any crypto of my choice. So here is the one I have already. I have Phantom, I have Gala in this account. So this 1,000 I can use it to buy vets if I like. If you come, I can click buy. When I click buy, I'll put my 1,000 naira here, and it will give me 62 pieces of vets. 62 pieces of vets, which I don't want to buy now. So guys, here comes the end of this video. Please, if you are watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video so that YouTube can recognize these videos to other people to watch also. Please don't leave without clicking that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and watch out for the next video. Bye.